In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet from Gmail now that the Meet video app gets Gmail integration. This integration allows you to easily join or start meetings directly from your Gmail interface, a significant convenience for busy professionals. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can take full advantage of this feature. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. You can do this by typing Google into your search bar or directly entering www.google.com into the URL field. Once you arrive at Google's homepage, you'll need to ensure you're signed into your Google account to access your Gmail. If you're not already signed in, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself back at Google's homepage. From here, it's time to move into Gmail. Now look at the top right section where the app icons are located and click on the one representing Gmail. This will direct you straight to your Gmail inbox, where all your emails are conveniently organized. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the Gmail dashboard. Among various options, you'll see the Meet icon, which looks like a small camera. Clicking on this Meet icon will open a panel where the magic happens. This panel seamlessly integrates Google Meet within your Gmail, giving you the capability to either start or join a meeting without leaving your email interface. If you intend to join an ongoing meeting, you'll notice an option labeled Join Now. Click on it and you'll be taken directly into the meeting room where you can begin interacting with participants right away. On the other hand, if you're planning to start a new meeting, there's an option for that as well, allowing you to quickly generate a new meeting space and invite others to collaborate with you in real time. Integrating Google Meet into Gmail is a clever way to streamline your workflow. It allows you to manage meetings with ease, making it simple to transition between emailing and video conferencing. This eliminates the need to switch between multiple applications or tabs, saving you time and effort during your busy day. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to utilize Google Meet within Gmail. Hopefully this tutorial has clarified how to take advantage of this integration, aiding in enhanced communication and efficiency. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to explore all the features Google offers to make your digital interactions smoother and more productive.